Best profitable tech startup ideas for beginners. Are you dreaming of starting your own business but not sure where to begin? In the world of technology, where everything is constantly changing and evolving, there are endless opportunities to create something new and exciting. Starting a tech company might sound a bit scary, especially if you're just beginning, but it doesn't have to be. With the right idea and bit of guidance, anyone can make their mark in the tech world. Let's explore together some simple yet powerful tech startup ideas that could set you on the path to success. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a creative thinker, or someone with a passion for making a difference, your journey to building a successful tech startup begins here. Artificial intelligence? For the past decade, AI has been gaining a lot of attention, and there's no doubt AI would evolve even further. In the future, most mainstream businesses will be equipped with AI, thus opening numerous tech startup opportunities. Nowadays, AI can read for us, speak, write, hear, see, and analyze things in terms of videos and photographs. All of this is completely transforming organizations and helping them reimagine and streamline their business processes. Read the advantages of AI in mobile app development. For many industries, this COVID-19 pandemic was disastrous, but it only accelerated the use of AI across the U.S. economy. During this time, many companies started to create new services for remote workers and students. Telehealth and virtual medical services. The one thing that changed a lot in the health industry during the past year is tech's tremendous medical services involvement. For this case alone, many tech companies are streamlining their services for the healthcare industry. Recent studies have shown that telecalling the patients could resolve about 80% of primary medical attention required. Furthermore, hospitals can improve their online healthcare system with the aid of virtual medical services. These services open an abundance of tech startups opportunities to compete against more prominent players within the same industry. It is not a pleasant way to wait in a doctor's office and spend a long time. Remote working. As the COVID-19 pandemic has hit worldwide, work from home, abbreviated as WFH, has gained popularity across the tech industry. But as months passed, we know how things escalated quickly. Issues started arising as more and more companies began switching to a remote working model. Like it becomes more challenging to highlight professional achievements, the engagement between workers becomes much harder, etc. This problem gave rise to tech solutions like personal remote process automation. EdTech startup. The industry that gained the most attention during these uncertain times is the education industry. When students, teachers, and their families feel burned out from pandemic learning, companies that market online learning tools to schools were enjoying a coronavirus windfall. Investors are happy to invest high in edtech startups. According to CB Insights report, a firm that tracks startups and venture capital, venture and equity financing for edtech startups has more than doubled. This means it rises from $4.81 billion in 2019 to $12.58 billion worldwide last year. With all those schools, institutions, and other academic centers taking their business entirely online, startups secure funds and grow even as COVID-19 continues. Biotech startup. Many biotech startups emerge every year alongside the rapid growth of technology. Such startups gain publicity and support from angel investors and governments because biotechs are essential to improving human life quality. Many of these companies attract entrepreneurs, executives, and investors because the payoffs can be huge when breakthroughs are made. However, the challenges faced are not easy either. If lots of caution and innovative ideas proceed, you can have a massive opportunity as a tech startup to impress investors and receive multi-million-dollar investments, and even attract the media and gain some fame. Robotic delivery. It is not a simple task for entrepreneurs to run robotic startups. Yet the number of robotic startups working on groundbreaking technologies are growing in numbers. Robotics have been fast-growing for the past few years, but the current pandemic situation accelerated its growth even further, giving every startup a chance to up their game. The astounding number of efficiencies that robotics perform in limiting human-to-human interaction has helped fight the virus. This adds a higher demand for robotics in upcoming years, where autonomous robots are brought to most businesses' front lines. E-commerce startup. Are you thinking of starting an e-commerce business? As reported by Forbes, in the first quarter of 2021, the U.S. e-commerce sales grew by 39% year after year to $199 billion. This growth is only increasing, as global e-commerce sales are predicted to reach $4.2 trillion this year. Developing a simple and easy website, along with a mobile app, is all you need to grow your e-commerce business. Talking about the e-commerce business, now is the best time to start one. In almost every sector, the e-commerce industry is booming. From running a top-rated online fashion store to selling old pieces, it should all work. Internet of Things. In this technology-driven world, the internet connects everyone from every part of the world. Similar to that, the products and services can be connected to each other through mechanical devices, embedded with sensory chips and software that helps in the exchange of data with other devices without human intervention. This can be used to improve efficiency of devices and help you enable new services that promote safety and environmental benefits. Internet of Things, IoT, is the new future, and companies are already incorporating it into their products. Social media influencer. Use Signal, the controversial tweet from Elon Musk that increased the number of users for Signal in a single day. This is an excellent example of how a person can influence a vast crowd with a simple tweet. Suppose you are willing to work on your social media presence and give the netizens the information as a credible source. In that case, your followers will increase, giving you the power of opinion to many people. Marketing firms utilize this power to promote products or services among the public. Since the opinion is coming from someone they trust, they will be influenced. VR and gaming arcade. Virtual reality computing, VR, has a whole new set of opportunities for you to venture. With the introduction of the metaverse, the VR industry is getting ready to soar high. What's better than gaming? Living the game. People want to experience the events of the game in real life, and VR makes it possible. The gaming industry is growing, with gamers going live on YouTube and making a decent income. Many games are now designed for VR specifications like Batman, Arkham VR, suggesting the gaming industry's shift to VR. Cybersecurity services. Privacy is the utmost concern in these technology-driven times. With all our information available in digital form, there is a massive concern about our data falling into the hands of others who misuse them. Scams, malware, ransomware, etc. are increasing day by day, calling for foolproof data security. A cybersecurity expert can rule out any chances of data breach. Cybersecurity market is expected to reach $352.25 billion by 2026, and this makes launching a cybersecurity startup a good idea. Take a look at this mobile security checklist to keep your applications safe. Digital marketing. To attract the new crowd, we go where they spend most of their time. It was in front of a television a few years back, and now it's their phones. In this digital era, marketing has found new ways to attract potential customers. If you are looking for a great tech startup idea, digital marketing is a great online business idea if you have the right creative team. The introduction of artificial intelligence, AI, in the digital marketing world has improved the chances of getting personalized pitches to customers. Uber, are all examples of companies that use AI to create marketing campaigns. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.